Hi everyone. Today we're going to be doing one of these questions again because we haven't done one of these in a while. So I thought we would come back to it and try another one again. So over here our question is 2 to the power m is equals to 5 to the power m plus 2. And over here we have to find m. So we're going to be finding m. So that means finding the value of m, obviously. So this question involves a lot of rules from exponents. So if you like to play with exponents, or if you're good at exponents, then I suggest you try solving this question beforehand, and then you can come back to the video and we'll talk about how to solve this question step by step. So let's get started. Over here, we have 2 to the power m is equals to 5 to the power m plus 2. So if you're familiar with exponents, then you probably know the rule where a to the power m plus n is the same thing as a to the power m times a to the power n. And so we're going to be making use of this rule right over here in our first step of the equation. So that gives us 2 to the power m is equals to 5 to the power m times 5 squared, because we've used this rule on 5 to the power m plus 2. So our next step is going to be, putting in the value for 5 squared, which is 2 to the power m is equals to 5m times 25. And now what we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by 5 to the power m. So this shouldn't really make a difference to our equation, so that would give us 2 to the power m divided by 5 to the power m, which gives us 5 to the power m times 25 divided by 5 to the power m. So let's go ahead and, there's another rule of exponents that states that a to the power m divided by b to the power m is the same thing as a over b to the power m. So we're going to be making use of this rule too, and we're going to substitute 2 to the power m over 5 to the power m, and we're going to write it as 2 over 5 to the power m. And over here, if you notice, the 5m and 5 to the power m and the 5 to the power m get canceled, leaving us with 25. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take log on both sides. So we will have log 2 over 5 to the power m and log 25. So, my bad. So now we have a few rules in log. So we have, so if you're familiar with with log, then you would know the rule that log a to the power b is the same thing as b times log a. And we're going to be making use of this rule here. And we're going to use this on log 2 over 5 raised to the power m. So this would give us m times log 2 over 5. And log 25, we're going to simplify this. Since 25 can also be written as 5 squared, we're going to write that down. And if you notice, this is, again, yet another exponent. So that means we can write that differently, which would give us m log 2 over 5 is equals to 2 log 5. So now if you're now we're going to focus on the left hand side of the equation, and if you see, we have log 2 over 5. Now there is another rule in log which states that log A over B is the same thing as log A minus log B. I'm going to move this a bit to the right, the left, and we're going to be making use of this too. So over here we have m log 2 over 5, and that gives us m log 2 minus log 5. And this is 2 log 5. And now what we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by log 2 over 5. So we're dividing both sides by log 2 minus log 5. So let's go ahead and do that, and that gives us m log 2 minus log 5, and if you've been paying attention, you would know that this is going to cancel out in our next step, but I'll still just write it right over here. And then we have 2 log 5 divided by log 2 minus log 5. So this cancels out, leaving us with m is equals to 2 log 5 divided by log 2 minus log 5. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and do this in a numerical way, meaning we'd have a number left. So you might want to pull out your calculator for this, or maybe a log sheet. I have my calculator right here. So we're going to be finding out the value of log 5 first. So m, because we have on the numerator 2 times log 5. So 2 times log 5 gives us 0.6989. And then on the denominator, we have log 2. Log 2 gives us 0.301, 3010, minus log 5 again, which is 0.6989. So if you multiply a log 5 by 2, then you get m is equals to 1.3979. Now, this part isn't, this numerical part isn't entirely necessary. You could leave your answer at m is equals to 2 log 5 divided by log 2 minus log 5, but I'm going to do this just for your further understanding. So 0.3010 minus 0.6989 gives us minus 0.3979. And then we're going to be dividing this, so we have m is equals to minus 3.513. So both of these can be considered an answer because one is just numerical while the other is in its proper form, but both of these answers are acceptable. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope that you are walking away with a little bit more knowledge on how to solve questions with exponents and how to solve particularly this question. So thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, we have a lot of similar videos on our channel, so be sure to check that out. So thanks for watching.